The weighing booth, also called waiting room or sampling room, is a local purification equipment for use in pharmaceutical, microbiological research and scientific experiments. It provides a vertical and unidirectional airflow. Part of the clean air circulates in the work area, and it is partially discharged to the nearby area to create a negative pressure in the work area, to prevent cross-contamination, and to ensure a high cleanliness environment in the work area. It is equipped with differential pressure display device, which monitors each filters in real time. The weighing booth in Suzhou Pharma machinery is designed with special air duct, which controls the operating noise effectively, as well as the intelligent control mode and fault alarm system, which ensures a stable operating. It is worth mentioning that our weighing booth is equipped with intelligent control mode and fault alarm system, which ensures a stable operating. Welcome, contact and follow us.